Is there a place more beautiful, more wild than the realm of the Southern Oceans? Where once-a-year breeding events bring together mass aggregations.
This is exactly what we've come here to see.
And giants gather for some extraordinary close-up encounters.
Yeah, boy, it's a fire! I got wild.
Come with us on a midwinter journey along our shores, in our shallows, as miraculous events of the natural world play out along our southern coastlines.
Underneath me, one of the biggest aggregations of crustaceans on the planet.
This is Event Television, where we're coming to you live.
Uh-oh, looks like we're in for some trouble. Oh, here we go.
With big creatures, big science,
This is the best research of my life.
and big thrills.
My heart is going so fast right now.
Southern Ocean Live.